Hello, my dear foodie family. Welcome back as I share with you how I cook Marugbo soup. Marugbo soup is also known as black soup from Ondo State. And to begin, I'll add 2 onions and 1 scotch bonnet pepper into my blender, and then I'll proceed to blend it to a rough texture. I'll also cook my meat. I'll pour my meat into the pot, and then I'll season the meat by adding 2 cubes of seasoning cubes. After crumbling the seasoning cube into the pot, I'll proceed to add half tablespoon of salt, and then I'll add the blended onions and pepper mix that I made earlier. After I add that, then I'll add enough water to cook the meat to perfection. By perfection, I mean the meat has to be very, very soft. I'll mix well, I'll cover the pot and cook for 30 minutes on high heat. While I cook, I need to tell you this. Marugbo soup does not need curry powder, and that is why I did not boil the meat with curry powder or dried thyme. Now, after 30 minutes, this is what my meat looks like. And if you like what you see, then subscribe to this channel and click on that bell button so that you'll be notified every single time I post my new cooking videos. This is what the meat looks like. It is soft and it is ready for the next step. The next step is to add Marugbo powder into the pot. This is what my Marugbo powder came as, and I'll proceed to add half cup of Marugbo powder to the pot of boiling meat. After adding the marugbo powder, I'd also add 1 tablespoon of efirin powder. Efirin powder in English language is known as scent leaves. If you have fresh scent leaves, that's fine. But I will be using scent leaf powder because that is what I have. I'll mix everything very, very well. And I have to say this, I find it very easy to mix my marugbo powder and scent leaf powder with hot liquid, and that is why I did not allow the meat to cool down before mixing it in. After mixing everything in to ensure that everything is properly mixed and is looking nice, then I'll proceed to add water. One thing about Marugbo soup is a watery kind of soup. It doesn't have to be too thick. So I would add enough water to cook the soup to ensure that the taste of the Marugbo enters into the meat and everything is well mixed and tasty. I'll mix very well and then I'll add palm oil. But because my palm oil right now is frozen solid, I have to put my palm oil close to the fire just so that the fire can soften it a little bit for me to get it out of the bottle. So here is a cooking hack for you. What I always do is, if I'm about to use palm oil and I realize that my palm oil is frozen, this is because I live in a cold environment. All I do is I put the bottle of palm oil close to the fire and I allow the fire to soften the palm oil enough for me to be able to, get it out of the bottle. I just added 1 tablespoon or 1 cooking spoon of palm oil to my marugbo mix. I'll mix this very, very well until the palm oil dissolves in the soup. Now, this marugbo soup is a very popular soup in Nigeria, especially for the people of Ondo State. It is so popular, is commonly enjoyed even during the festive season. One major thing is marugbo soup and pupuru is going to be a major meal on the menu. So don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. After mixing very well, the palm oil has finally dissolved and it is time to cook again. So I'll cover my pot and I'll cook for another 10 minutes on high heat. The good thing about marugbo powder is, and I'll tell you the reason why I decided to invest in it, because 100 gram of marugbo powder will cook me 2 pots of marugbo soup, which for me, I believe it is a good deal. After 10 minutes, marugbo soup is ready to be enjoyed. So let me give you few food combinations for marugbo soup. It can be enjoyed with pupuru, which is a traditional fufu for the people of Ondo and especially the Ikali and Ilaje people. Marugbo can be enjoyed with yam, it can be enjoyed with rice, Name it. Marugbo soup is delicious, it is nice, and it is healthy. If you like this video and if you like to tell me one or two things about Marugbo soup, don't hesitate to leave your comment in the comment section. Till I post my next video, have a lovely time. Bye.